Are you an art director who's trying to make the best work of your life? The truth is, if you follow a few art direction principles, your chance of success goes exponentially higher. 1, there are actually 7 art direction rules, only 7. And if you learn how to perfect them, you will make all your work better. Second thing I want to talk to you about is people to learn to stop making art direction to show off. Art direction exists to sell ideas, not to show how good you are. Third, being creative is not enough. You need to become technical. A lot of creatives don't want to learn how to be technical, and they end up depending a lot on technical people to deliver their ideas. I'll help you to learn how to be both creative and technical. And then you're going to be unstoppable. And 4, develop art direction range. We're going to talk about range. I believe the best art directors can do great work for any brand, for any audience, for any industry. And 5, art direction really can make your work days happy days. So I'll help you to follow some secret tricks that will make you be able to turn any project into a happy one. If you really believe in the power of art direction and you want to rapidly improve, I would love to help you out. Last year, 3 out of the top 10 art directors in the world were on my team, people who are experiencing that with me every day. So if you want to get on that list, I think this program is the best shortcut there is. So if you're interested, I encourage you to click on the button that is somewhere. I'm excited to see you there. Thank you, love you.